Thinking of starting an electric vehicle charging station network in Singapore? With Singapore's strong push towards electric mobility and greener transportation, EV charging infrastructure is a fast-growing and future-ready business opportunity. An EV charging business may involve installing and operating public charging stations, private fleet chargers, or residential and commercial charging solutions. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate energy, infrastructure, or technology-related business activities. Next, regulatory compliance is key. EV charging operators must comply with technical standards, electrical safety requirements, and approvals from relevant authorities. Site selection, power capacity planning, and partnerships with property owners are critical for successful deployment. Operational and financial planning are equally important. This includes charger procurement, software platforms for billing and monitoring, maintenance planning, pricing models, and tax compliance. Scalability and long-term sustainability should be built into your network strategy from day one. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support EV and green technology businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and accounting services, so you can build a compliant and scalable EV charging network